How to stop TikTok zooming in on photos. So if you want to stop TikTok zooming in on photos, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with the plus button, which will be on the bottom, and then go and select a photo. Now once you've selected, if you have zoom in effect on your photos, and if you want to stop that, then what you need to do is just simply go with the drop down, which will be on the bottom, and you may have an edit option. You can have that edit option on the top. Tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, now here you may have a zoom in effect on the bottom. Now as you can see that I only have sound and the photo interface, right? But I don't have zoom in effect. But zooming effect sometimes gets added in automatically. So if you want to stop TikTok zoom in on photos, then here on the bottom you will have your zoom in effect. You need to just simply tap on that effect and then go with delete, which will be on the bottom. After that, go with the arrow, which will be in the top right, and now you can go and see your video and it will stop zooming in on your photos. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.